Hello everyone, this is Siddhartha from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Me, along with my team members Sai Pawan Kumar and Sai Manjuna, together we developed a mini project using low-level design Java programming language. Our project is about designing a logistics system. As you all know about the word logistic means, it's all about the delivering a particular item from the one user to other user or the receiver. The item is considered as here in order, and it will have some attributes like order ID and order details and weight, like that. And for sending an item from one place to another place, it will have some distance, and the item will have some weight. Based on the distance and weight, we have calculated the price. Here I have used admin to check the details of the orders and other functionalities. And to deliver that particular order, we should have some delivery boys. So that for that I have also created some classes. Let's see how many classes should be developed for this application. Here are the some classes that are admin.java and admin details and user details and orders, invoice, delivery boy details and delivery boy, and the main class. Let's see each class separately and how they have implemented and what functions do they perform in this system. Let's see users.java class. Coming to this class, I have declared class named users which contain attributes like account ID, name, mobile number, email, password, address. These all are declared as string data type and in the private scope. Next to that, I have used a constructor named users. It, it initializes a user object with all the required details like account ID, name, mobile number, email, password, and address. Here I have used this keyword, which is used to invoking a object and also to avoid the confusion between local variable and member variable. Coming to the methods, I have used a method called validate password and taken password as a parameter. In this method, it checks whether the user's password and the given password are matched or not. Here you can see I have used getter and setter methods for attributes like account ID, name, mobile number, email, and password. Getter method and setter methods. Getter method is used to take the input from the user, and setter method is used to assign the value to that variable, particular variable. You can see this. Likewise, I have declared and initialized all the values to the respective variables. Let's see another class, user details. In this class, I have imported array list and list, and I have declared a class name called users details, and I have declared a list because of to store the user details and different types of users. And you can see this user details. This is the default constructor for the user details class. When an object of the user details class is created, this constructor ensures that user list and is properly initialized as an empty list. And you can see the register user. This allows new users to register, and it creates a new users object with the provided details like account ID, name, etc., and adds the new user to the list that named as users list. And coming to the login user, it authenticates a user during login, iterates to the user list to find the user with the matching account ID, and it calls the validate password method of the users class to verify the password. Returns the user's object if authentication is successful, or otherwise it returns null. The get user, and this is used for to fetch a user details using their user ID or account ID. It iterates through the users list to find the user with the matching account ID and returns the user's object if it found, otherwise it returns null. And coming to get users list, it provides access to the list of all the registered users, and simply it returns the users list, which contains a list of users objects. This is how user details.java class has defined. And coming to the orders class, here I have declared the class name as orders, and which has attributes like order ID, account ID, weight, and distance and price. I have declared a constructor called orders, and it has some methods, and I have used a calculate price method to calculate the price based on the weight and distance. And here you can see this calculate price method. It takes parameters as weight and distance. Here price is calculated as some value distance into 8 I have taken as. Here I have calculated price as distance into 8, and if the weight is less than or equals to 5, price plus or equals to 50, and if weight less than or equals to 10, price added to 100, and else price is 150, it returns the price. And here I have used get order ID to get the order ID from the user, and weight and the distance and the price, and it sets the order ID to the respective variable. This is how getter and setter methods are used to take the inputs from the user and storing that value to the particular variable. Let's see the other classes, how they were defined.
Hello guys, as my friend already said about this logistic system, now I will continue that and I will explain you delivery boy class. In this class, I have created three variables named delivery boy ID, name, and contact numbers because in delivery boy class we should have about details about delivery boy. So I have created these three variables, and then I have created constructor for that, and then I have initialized this, and then I wrote getter and setter methods for these three variables. You can see here string get delivery boy id, and then I return delivery boy id as we should return value in getter method. So I return the delivery boy id. I I did same with this with other two variables also, and then you can see here setter method. In this method I have assigned the value to that delivery boy id, and I have done same thing for the other setter methods also. Now I will explain you about the other class, and it is delivery boy details. In this in this class I have created hash map. For that creation I have imported java.util.hashmap, and then I have created that hash map and assigned to that delivery boy map, and then city number map. In you can see that in this public delivery boy details, which is a constructor, and I have mapped those mapped those details of delivery boy into that because it is a Java code. There is no backend For this code, I have predefined these delivery boy details for that. And then you can see here I will explain you the workflow of this code. So we should jump to this display cities class. Here you can see display cities means when as my friend already said in admin.java class, whenever he clicks on the available destination button, it will show the all the cities that are available to that users. For that, yeah, I have created this class. You can see that here. If he pressed on or clicked on that available destination, it will be equal to this city number, and then it will show the other cities for that user. As the same, it will also show for display delivery boy details whenever I click the display delivery boy details button. I means here user, and then it will redirect to add destination, and then the user should give the destination. The here in this construct in this the workflow is, whenever the add destination is called, the city numbers hash map will be increased by size 1, and then it will be here put means added in hash map. Put means like appending into that hash, into that list, so that I have send those details into city number dot map, and then I have sent those same details into delivery boy map. I have also created a object and directly sent into that delivery boy map hash map. And then that after that class is over, that will be redirect to this one, display all details. Here you can see that it will display the all details that are previously given. And then I have wrote that getter and setter methods. I have only wrote get get city by number and get delivery by boy. Here I have not write set method because there is no assignment for these hash maps. Now I will explain you invoice class. He, as you all know, invoice means just providing and just showcasing the details for the user. He had already given. Here you can see order id, customer email address, phone number. These all the details to just so that the user can be recheck the details of him he have already given. That's all. From now onwards, my friend will take care of your explanation.
Previously, my friends have explained about user details, users, orders, invoice, delivery boy details, delivery boy. Now I will be explaining about admin.java, admin details.java, which are used to handle the admin login, and then main.java, which will be used to execute the total code. Now, coming to the admin.java. In admin.java, I have written a class admin which consists of a string admin ID and another string which is admin password, which is used to log into the account, and have written a constructor for the admin. Next, have created a validate admin method which is used to validate the login details. In here, this dot admin ID dot equals admin ID, and this dot admin password dot equals admin password, which is used to uh, validate the login details, and have written a getter and setter for admin ID and getter and setter for admin password. Then coming to the admin details for Java, in this class I have written a list which consists of uh, admin login details. I created a default list, admin list, which consists of a default login details. I have taken admin one password 1, admin 2, password 2 as a default login details which cannot be changed. Only the person who knows this login details will log in into the admin account. And then I created a register admin which is used to register as a new admin to create a admin ID and password. But it has no it is not accessible to everyone. And I've written a admin.main login.admin which is used to log into the admin account with the help of admin ID and password. And I will write a getter and setter for admin list. Now, coming to the main part of the program, which is main.java, which will be used to execute the program. Firstly, I have written the class and written public static void main in which I have created a new scanner, which is used to basically put an output. Next, I have written three objects which are user details, delivery boy details, admin details, in which through which we can access the all the data. Next, I have created a welcome sentence. Welcome. Select an option. I have given two options: user and admin. If you are a user, then have to click one so that you can log into the user account. If you are an admin, then have to click two so that we can log into the admin. Next, I have created a if if where if we select a one so that if we are a user then we will select one. In that way I will print system.out.println which is used to the output to the console. In that, enter user details and then enter user id in which we will enter the user id. Next, enter name. In that, after the next line we will enter the name of the user, and next, phone number of the user, email of the user, password and address of the user. After that, the details will be went to the register user method in which these details are added to the list. Next, and after adding to the list, there will be an output which is user registered. After that, we will have to enter the order details, which consist of weight of the order or weight of the parcel which we are sending to the logistic system. And then we will given a scanner which is used to take the input for the weight. And further, we have to enter the distance, how much distance the parcel should be gone. In that way, I have given a scanner which is used to scan the new value of the distance. Next, I have created a list which has the destined cities which is used to send the parcel. Then there will be a list of cities which through which we can send the parcel, and we have to enter a choice which is used to select the destination of the parcel, and then have I will select the uh, I will select the destination and it will be entered. If the city is not null, then we have that means we will select any of the given choices of the cities. If that happens, the delivery boy will be assigned. I have given a delivery boy and his contact for a destination. Like for Vijayawada, I have given a delivery boy and his contact number. For every destination, I have created it so that there will be no confusion. As we don't have a database to store, we will created a default list. And if any invalid choice is selected, then it will print invalid city. If the choice, this is the user part. Up to now, we have discussed the user part. Now, coming to the admin. Here we have selected one for the user. If we selected two, which will be admin login, there will be a a sentence enter admin ID, in which we will enter the admin details and password. And after that, these admin detail, admin ID and password will go to login admin method, which is used to validate. If if the admin details are validated and if they are correct, which is I have created a if in which admin is not equals to null, which means the password and email admin ID are correct. After that, if that is true, I will print four options in which first option is display available destinations and second option is display delivery boy details. Next third option is add destination and delivery boy. Fourth option is logout. These four options are available for the admin, which are used to see the available details in the system. If I selected one, which is display available destinations, then it will display all the destined cities which we have. And if you select two, it will print all the delivery boy details. If we enter three, which is used to add destination and delivery boy details, I will give a new city name, delivery boy name, and contact number, which will be sent to the hash map and will add it to the hash map group, and the final details are displayed. If we selected 4, which is logout, then it will print logged out successfully and break. Here, if we use break, the function will exit and the program will be done. This is the code I have written. Coming to the execution. Coming to the execution, I have written all the code and all the files are taken here. If I run the main.java, here I can see that I have got welcome select an option in which I have two options, one or two. First, we will check for user. I have selected one and then I have to enter the user ID. I have to enter my ID. Suppose my ID is 1001. I have to enter name. Next, phone number. Next, email ID. Next, password. I have to create a password for my account. Let's say I will keep 22 as my password and address. This is my address. After that, the user is registered. These details are added to the list. And I have next have to enter the parcel details. Let's say my weight of the parcel is 10 kgs and distance should be like a 50-kilometer distance. Then these are the default available destination cities I have given in the program. Let's say I wanted to send it to Kakinada. So my choice is 8. Then invoice will be automatically generated. My order ID is ORD1. Customer, my name Sai, email ID, address, phone number, weight, distance, and the total bill which I have to pay for the delivery. And after that, as we have entered Kakinada as our destination cities, the delivery boy who will deliver the parcel is shown here. Delivery boy details name. Tagore is my delivery boy at Kakinada and his contact number is printed below. This is the user part. If you want to see the admin part, I'll go on again and to select two, which is admin. We have to enter the admin ID. We should enter these two default only admin ID and password to enter. If not, it will print wrong, wrong admin details. See, then if you want to print or execute again to admin details, admin one and password one is my admin ID and password. Then admin logged in successfully. With these default password and ID, I have logged in. Then it will display menu. One, as I explained before, these four options are available. If I select first option, the destination cities are all displayed. These are the nine destination cities I have. It has a loop so that every time it will repeat after the an executed method function. Next, I will select two. Then it will show the delivery boy details, all the delivery boys which work under me, and then it will repeat again. Now I will enter 3, which is used to enter the new city and delivery boy. Let's say I'm selecting Karnool as my new city, and delivery boy name is, let's say, Pranav is my delivery boy, and contact. I will give a contact number. As you can see here, a new city delivery boy details are added to the list and displayed. And I will select now fourth option, which is used to log out. Log out successfully, and the program will be executed. Execution is done. This is our logistic system low level design. I hope you like it. Thank you. Thank you very much.